All right, what's good, y'all? We're gonna put that in the tray. Don't remember what I need to work on, if I'm being 100% honest. Start the Pomodoro timer, and then so let's find out what we need to do. Um, sure, let's go with this one. Um, yeah. So let's go to do. So I have. I don't even know how many days are this month. Calendar. Not quite what I want. If it's cool. All right, so we got 30 days. So we have 4 more days left to finish this. So kind of need to pick it up, to be honest. So the big thing right now is want to ability change overflow icons. So let's put this in order. These kind of go together. Yeah, p-threads if I need it, but I don't know how to use p-threads, so that will take a good amount of time, and then I don't even know if it'll make it faster per se. Okay, so let's first see if we can even print out some nerd font icons. So nerd font cheat sheet, and then go here. I don't know. NAND gate. Oops. Something that's not common. So let's copy the icon, and then well, oops. Kind of got to be in the root first. So what we'll do is we'll go to source, right? And then in tick, let's set one of these to have the icon. Oh, right. I forgot to add this. I need to get rid of memory leak. Anyway. 13. So if tracked path is null, let's make it so that we also print out the NAND gate as well. Yeah, that's cool. So because we don't need the size of it or whatever. So we're gonna go to the projects, and then we're gonna build the project, and then we're gonna open up another OBS instance. Right, so if we go over here, add this. Why isn't it showing that? Oh, I see. Insert. Wait. If I just, which one is it? If I get rid of the insertion symbol. Oh, it didn't update yet. It's on 5 seconds. Okay, so it doesn't show special characters. So, oh, that makes it a little bit more difficult, actually. Oh, wait, no, I'm not even using a nerd font. Okay, awesome. So symbols do show. The problem is those symbols don't seem to be monospaced. But it does matter because it'll still mess up the. Let's see if any of them are. I just want to see a list of the symbols. Sure, let's go with that. This one would be cool. Oh wait, no, this one that's heat. Okay, so let's see if this one would work. So we need to build the project, launch another instance, bam, bam, bam. Oh, that's sick. That is sick, that is sick. So we'll go to properties. Yeah, it's still pushing it over though. But no, it's not because I got it wrong. The sucky part is it's monospace here, but it's not here. Yeah, that's not how I want it. Let me put it on top. So this is for the insertion. It'll be like that, right? Oh, I opened Discord. Can't type apparently. Yeah, that's definitely not right. Or wait, that I need a space. Because we're forgetting the symbol that is not there at the moment. Yeah, it's a little larger, I think. I want to see it. Because it would be really cool if I can get these to work. Oops. Oh, I didn't even know it was keybind for that. Anyway. Actually, it seems as though it might work. But I don't know why there's no space here. Like, that's so fun to play around with. Yeah, so let's do that feature anyway. Yeah, let's do that. That is a crazy font, a Nerf font icon. I kind of mess with this. I'm not gonna hold you. That's a very cool icon. But let's see if we can figure out why we don't have a space in between. Because there's very clearly one here. Oh, it's because I'm looking at the wrong area. This is for deletions. But still, regardless, it should be fine. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I see. If we deleted this, it'll be fine. Because it would be line 1, 2, and then you have another space for that. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, right? And then you have space 1, and then you have an okay, yeah, and then you have another space. I think. All right. You do need that space here. Oh, it's arrow keys. That's cool. You know what? Let's do it. Oh, yeah, we ball. So let's get rid of this because, yeah, it's not there anymore. And then what we can do, yeah, so all we need is another, so we would need we need another property. We just grab from that property and then throw that character as the character for overloads. It should be pretty straightforward. Hopefully. Now, one thing I do not know is if it will pass on the character correctly. Let me see if we can do a single character specifier with OBS, because it can only be one. I'm not doing multiple. It's too much. Can be on the final, a single line of text passworded, multi-line text. Add integer, add bool, add float, add int slider. Int float string bool. Yeah. It doesn't look like I'll be able to do a single character, but I could just only take from the first. I think that's what might be what we have to do. Yeah. So we'll add another string. And we want this to be where? We want this to be in the repo settings, because we'll use the same for both. So let's do it under delay. Delay. So we'll do OBS properties, add string text, and then in repo props, we're gonna name this overload character, and then this is the character shown for overload. And then this will be Description, the enum is OBX text default, type. Oh yeah, that's all it is, right? So yeah, we have that. Okay, so now for defaults, let's make that default. Shift properties. Wait, defaults. Right, and then we can say we want those settings. We want, it's under delay. OBS data set default string in settings. We're looking for we are looking for overload character, and we want that to be a default of period, right? So now when we update, oh wait, let's put that in, let's put that in data. So full time passed. Wait, question is which one will it be in? Source. I think we want it in here. And then we'll have a character, so we don't have to malloc it. A character overload character. Right? So it won't be here. Actually, yeah, these are no space. Awesome. We could also be like, define default overload character to be, can you do that? Aha, I can. I mean, this is just an int at the end of the day, so I guess it doesn't really matter. So then we can be like, this is default overload character. And then this isn't going to change, right? Yeah, because I defined it. So let's fix, no, let's just keep going for now. So now in update, let's say OBS data get string from info. No, from info get source. What do we have here? We do have settings already. So it'll be from settings, and then we want overload character. Ooh, I didn't think about that. It is the empty string lossy or not? I don't think it is, but ooh, I want test. Oh, I don't have a test in here anymore. I do. What? So let's go over here and comment all of this out. Right, and then I want to say if if the empty string, then printf empty not lossy. Printf I can be lazy. Right. So now we do gcc test.c, w all, you know, normal. You know, I'm a little silly for that. Kind of need an else there, but regardless, it's not lossy. Yeah. So I actually have to check for it. So if the string is not the empty string, right? And it's not null. So get string settings overload character, right? And then that will evaluate to false if it is null. So now we could say, okay, info data overload character equals OBS data get string settings overload character, right? But I want the first character from there, so I think I can index it from there, but just in case, let me put this in parentheses so it doesn't scream at me, and then we should be good. So that'll get the first character of that, and that's all I care about. If you add more, it doesn't matter. I'm ignoring it. So let's go back to defaults and set this to be not period. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, let's do we're gonna do a little something real quick. We are going to make vector let's just call it helpers for now, and then we're going to make their two string conversions. Now we're going to make a file called char to string.c, and then we're going to define a function called char to string, and then this is going to be, it's going to take in first, no, it's just going to take in this the character, right? And then what we can do here is we can literally just be like, okay, we have a string, and then we're going to call it output, and we're going to malloc it with two characters. And then we're just going to say output 0 equals input, and then output 1 equals the null byte. And then we just return that. And then we need we need standard lib.h, right? And then that just reminded me, oops, did I delete stuff? Yes, I did. Okay, but that just reminded me that this does pragma once count for the whole file? Pragma once, let's see. The current source file to be included only once during the search. Thus serves the same purpose as include guards. Okay, wait, I could just see how I did it in here. Okay, so I did it in H files. Okay, I'm not bugging. Anyway, we need to test this. I did do pragma once, and did I do it in the interface too? Yes. Awesome. So let's make a test file. Actually, wait, we need this pragma once. Oops, not that. I need this. Right, and then we go to our test file, which we didn't create, and then include standard io.h, standard lib.h. Actually, I might not need that, but whoever knows. Int main. Just to test it quickly, we're gonna do argc, argv, and then we're gonna say we're gonna take argument. Actually, we're just gonna do this printf %s, and then we're gonna say argv at the first index. Oh wait, I'm silly. This is I need to include string, right? And then char to string of this, right? And then that should be it. Oh yeah, you're so right. That was stupid too. And then we want the first character of this. Undefined reference to char string. Oh. I need to put in char to string.c. And then we run it, with okay, and then let's put something like that. Yeah, that will work. Okay. Oh, that might actually be a problem. I didn't think about that at all. What if I do, can I do that? I don't think so. Yeah. And then what is the other option I'm given? I don't think that's, yeah. Huh. Yeah, it's not gonna work. I didn't think this through at all. How do you specify a special character? Okay, what if I do the UTF and I like specify it manually? Because I think I could take that in the string. Or wait. Can you actually print it at all? Print, not D, C. That's not what I wanted. Okay, so it is printable. Can I print it with the UTF character? Okay, awesome. Now, another question is, can I do it in here? So if I do tick, and then we'll do the same thing we did before, where if we turn it off, we get this character, right? So let's, I'm not here anymore. Term / build project. Oops. Build project. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, I didn't ever fix that. I think it's all good. Yeah. Okay, so I can take the UTF specification of it, and that's how I'm gonna do it. So that means that we do actually need to take in a string. which works out actually. But so let's do. I mean, the two-string thing is still useful. So I didn't do that for no reason. But let's see if we can take this in. I think we could take it in as a string, and then or no argv at the first index, and then just print that bad boy out. So we'll do a.out of that, which did not work. So maybe we do it as a character. I don't think that'll work though. Yeah. I don't think I can. Yeah. Or I think I'm asking the wrong question. Convert UTF. See, the problem is I don't know what they're called. So it is a Unicode character. To print the character and reduce prints. Let's see. Oh, well. So maybe I was asking the right question. Convert Unicode character or string to a character, yeah, a character. That's not what I'm looking for either. That's not what I want. Should not use card types anywhere. For Y characters, multi-Y characters. Since there is no guarantee what those but not all implementations have caught up to changes. C11 standard. Unicode characters and strings. uchar.h. Convert a to multi-byte character. String literals for character types are for .20 AC is the special character. And set. Examine the next example to see if this characters are. Prints a value. Okay, there you go. Course 16. Okay. MB RTOC. Well, question is, oops. Do we get this in Linux? Which I don't know. I'm just gonna use this, I don't care. Okay. So first of all, if we try to include it, does it even work? uchar.h. Oh, it recognized it. Okay, cool. So we have those functions. I'll just have to use this rather than the man page, or instead of the man page. Okay, I'm gonna go to my normal test file. instead. So I still have this, right? Yeah. So say we have a character, bam, test equals this. So each character is a byte. So this is going to be a byte. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, oh my gosh, I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's going to be 10 bytes. But it might ignore this, which is why they might have done 8. Wait, no. Why did they do 8? I don't know why they did 8. We'll see. So let me have size T. But what is that? I need the map page, bro. That's no pointer. Yep. If the next n or fewer bytes complete the multi-byte character that corresponds to the null wide character. Null wide character in this case, I'm assuming is the Unicode character. So it'll return 0 if it finds it. Let's just test it out. Let me stop yapping. RTOC 16. And then we take in, what is PC 16? So I assume that this is the actual Unicode character. So we'll have the address of the special character, the string, let's just say 8 bytes for now, and then the address of, I don't know what that last argument is. I don't know what MB state is. Okay, whatever. They just MB states. Oh, I didn't include UChar. That'll do it. Expected parameter declarator. Oh. Size T size equals that. Okay, so firstly, let's print out what size is. Oh boy. Oh, it's the address of it. So we got -1. -1 means an encoding error occurred, in which case the next n or fewer bytes do not contribute to a complete sequence. But why? Is it because it's too small or too big? Or let's just say, okay, still no. Why? Is it because it doesn't recognize that specific character? I want to see if it put anything. Mm-mm. Spec card test. Use case, or you get the first two characters values in the multi-byte string. Maybe because, okay, so if it is because it's a special thing, then we wouldn't be able to do, or this would work if we did U 20 AC. Oops. But it still doesn't work. So I don't think that's the case. Or let me try it on its own. 28 AC. Always -1. Is it because I didn't initialize it like they did? What is a standard loop? Oh, it's string. Yeah, something's wrong. No way you have to set the locale, right? I don't know why that would be relevant. Oh, maybe it would be because you can have different characters depending. Okay, there it is. So we have the character. Oh, was it FO66? Oops. Let me make sure I have the right one. What? Oh, because I was using something different. I was using this. There it is. I was right. Okay. So given that we have this, I want to see what happens if we don't initialize it. Does it work? Okay. So now if we print it %, is there actually hashtag X? I've never seen something like that before. So this will be what, test? No, special character. Oh. Yes, it's unused. So it just converts it to the hex value. I want to print the actual thing. Can I do that? I don't think so. Yeah. I think it just wraps. Oops. What is it? Like that? Yeah. No, it already is a character. Hmm. Two byte strings can have different codings. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Char 16, T2. I don't think it was possible, but Because I want to be able to put this in a string. That's the big thing. This might be more difficult than I thought it would be. But I was able to put it in. Okay, wait. Let me try this again. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Print. Because what if we do fprintf and it, I mean not fprintf, smprintf, and it just handles it for me? They are really just units. So, not great sport. Yeah. Oh, really? C32. No, C16. Wait, where's buff? I really don't care. Equals 0. Right? And then we take this and we say buff the character, which in this case is special character, and then we take the address of what is PS, the state, so it's MBS, right? And then we print the string buff. If I can convert it to a string, that's really good, because everything's already a string. Let's go. Thank you, random person on the internet. Kind of like this, bro. That's so annoying. Anyway, okay, good. I'm gonna put this in my to-do, and I'm gonna take a break because I haven't eaten today. So this overflow icon, and then we're gonna say bam bam bam, see this, bam bam, oops, 3, bam, bam, bam. See how that does that. I want to see how this looks. Does that look right? Well. Oh no. No. Why does it only do one line? Oh, the indentation. Okay. Let me put this back over here. And then we're going to... and then we're gonna... That's where it should be, really. There we go. Now it'll look good. Awesome. Okay. So, oh wait, let me, real quick, let me figure out why we needed to allocate this like that. Because fills the first n bytes of the memory area pointed to by S with the constant byte C. Oh, I see. This is basically just nulling it out. I got you. I got you. I don't know why we needed to do that, though. Still. So it's just going to get overwritten by this. But I'm assuming it's good practice, so I'm going to uncomment it. And I could research it more later. Okay, awesome. That was good. We have a path. I'm going to finish this today because it's not that hard. Now that I have this, all I have to do is go through and then convert that. Maybe store it somewhere so I don't have to do that conversion every time. And then just slap that as the overload thing because it's now a string. So I can do whatever I want with it. Awesome. Very cool.